how to download apps on LG Smart TV. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install apps on your LG Smart TV easily. If you just got an LG Smart TV and can't find where to download apps, or some apps aren't showing up, you're not alone. Now, let's fix it step by step. Step 1, turn on your LG Smart TV. Start by powering on your TV and making sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. A stable internet connection is required to access and download apps. Step 2, open the LG Content Store. Press the Home button on your remote. From the menu bar, scroll and select LG Content Store. That's where all apps are available for your TV. Step 3, sign in to your LG account. If you haven't already, sign in or create an LG account. Without signing in, some apps may not appear or install properly. Many people miss this step. Once you're logged in, the download button finally shows up. Step 4, browse or search for an app. Use the search icon at the top to find apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Prime Video. You can also browse by category, such as entertainment, lifestyle, or games. Step 5, download and install the app. Select the app you want, then choose Install or Download. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once done, you'll see an Open button. Step 6, launch the app. Go back to the home screen and you'll find your new app listed under My Apps or the launcher bar. Click to open it and you're ready to go. Important notes. Some older LG TVs may not support newer apps due to WebOS version limits. Always keep your TV software updated for best performance. If an app doesn't show in the store, it may not be available in your region. And that's it! You successfully learned how to download and install apps on your LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides.